In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an ebook to Wix. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Now from the Wix dashboard, select the website you want to edit, click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. So just an optional method or step is to add a new page. So if you want your ebook to have its own page, click on the Menus and Pages button on the left sidebar. Click Add Page and name it something like ebook or downloads. Now in the editor, click on the plus icon to add on the left sidebar. Select Button and choose a style you like. Now drag the button to the desired location on your page. Now click on the button to select it, then click Change Text to edit the button text. So for example, download ebook. With the button still selected, click on the link icon, which is a chain link. So in the link settings, select Document to upload your ebook file. Click Upload Document and choose your ebook file from your computer. Now supported formats typically include PDF, EPUB, or other common ebook formats. After the uploading, select the file and click Done. So you can also customize your button. You can also add additional information if you want. And once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish at the top right corner of the editor to make your changes live. Now visit your website and click on the download button to ensure that the ebook downloads correctly. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.